Batangas BTS, Batangas BTS. This is MB Precision. Do you read? Loud and clear. Over.
Precision. This is BTS Batangas. Change to channel 1, 2. Over. Precision. This is BTS Batangas. What is your ETA on Batangas Port Terminal? Over. Precision. This is Batangas BTS. What is your call sign? Over. Precision. This is Batangas BTS. What is your draft? Over. Precision. This is Batangas BTS. How many persons do you have on board? Over. Precision. This is BTS Batangas. What is your gross tonnage? Over. Precision. This is BTS Batangas. What is your cargo? Over.
Batangas BTS. This is MB Precision. My cargo is 12304 metric tons of iron. Over.
Precision. This is BTS Batangas. Do you carry any type of dangerous cargoes on board? Over. Precision. This is BTS Batangas. Your message is understood. You may call when you pass Birdie Islands on channel 1, 2. Over.
Batangas BTS. This is MB Precision. We will call you after we pass Birdie Island on channel 1, 2. Over.
Precision. This is BTS Batangas. Standby channel 1, 2. Over.